Little boy. Gonna go get the landing net. Small one? Yeah. That was pretty quick though. Today's gonna be a better day.
One of my smallest, eh? Oh, that's what it was, swallow.
Huh?
That's a big little swallow.
Oh, boy. One of the smallest scrapers I've ever caught, probably. Yeah, I didn't take it off the video, but it's a couple things. January striper. Second one of the day, small ones, but I mean, we're in the middle of a winter storm right now. Catching stripers. I got you. All right, Braden's got his first one of the day. All right, put you on hold. We got a fish in the hoop. Right, doubled up on stripers. One of them's probably our biggest of the day. January is mine. This is my second one today. Didn't get a picture of the first one, but he's a thick little guy. Nice little 24 incher. Got my hands all over it. Did we get a pic? Did we get a big one? He's thick. Huh? I didn't take a pic, so that was all just video. I haven't got a pic. We could definitely get a pic out of that video, so it's not like a huge deal, but we'd do it again and I'll get a pic this time. Trevor's fourth fish of the day. We've landed 5 January stripers so far. Going for number 6. You guys like the new net? Diver. Very diver. And this is how we do. Trevor, you have a job to do. Did you grab mine? We both got. All right. Let him go. Let him go, let him grow. All right. Striper number 7 in a snowstorm. We got him. We got him. A little striper. About the new net though.
Little baby. Good. Let him go.
January snow stripers. All right, we got Braden's fourth one on, and this is a nice one, it looks like. Well, you know, for holdover stripers anyway.
You're getting feisty.
Nice.
Yeah, this is turning into fun. All of a sudden, we got a little bite turn on. Tied this. We're about 3 hours into the drop, about halfway through.
Things just turned red hot.
All little fish, but I mean, it'd be staying at home, that's for sure.
You know, with all the weird weather and potentially dangerous ice in the early season of ice so far, you know, just made sense to come down here and catch, you know, almost 10 stripers so far today.
10 stripers in January. All right, we're gonna let them go. You good? Pretty purple, pretty purple.
Those colors.
Sharking his way out of here.
Nice. Another one. Small. How's it feel? In the snowstorm. We got him. So perfect. Oh, we got an audience now. You guys coming to join. Nice one. One of the better ones today.
Yeah, a little small. Winter stripers. Hold over. Pretty color. Good. 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 Good.
You haven't held them up to me, really. Beats it up.
Oh, it's a good one, huh? Wonderful. Just a little loosey-goosey.
I mean, if you do, it's right there.
All right.